Let's call her in, Miss Annie Macato.
Grabe yung mga label na nilagay ko sa sarili ko. Ako lang naman naglagay nun. Therefore, ako lang din naman makakatanggal nun. Sabi yung unmessable. Para siyang corona sa lahat ng
Diba? Ano sabi mo sa akin? Miss Joanna, please welcome the new Annie.
Now, who am I is the possibility of being an inspiration. Binubudol ko siyang magbasa ng libro.
How do you budol him?
Ay, binabayaran ko. Growing up, para ako naging pseudo-parent. So, I have to be responsible for everyone. My life begins at 40. Kasi nga doon ko lang siya nakita. First 40 years of my life, di talaga siya kasali. So now that I found you, I will never let you go again.
Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success?
Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire! Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire with Jev.
And Joanna,
We are on Season 2!
episode 1.
Ayan, grand rising to you, Jev.
Grand Rising, how are you?
I'm great.
That's
Kulang
good
sa
to know.
tulog, pero we
Yes.
we're just so grateful na nagigising tayo. Diba? Di bali nang walang tulog, basta gumigising.
Sabi nga nila, every gising is a blessing.
Indeed. So ako, kapag nagrereklamo na ang aga or whatsoever, ang iniisip ko na lang, my life today is a gift and I just
Yes.
have to be grateful. At yun na nga, binigyan na naman tayo ni Divine, ni God, ni Father God, ng opportunity to be awake today and probably spread some inspiration and
Yes.
blessings to the people around us.
Yes, we should always be lucky that we are given this opportunity to, as in to wake up, because not everyone actually is
Yes.
blessed to wake up every day.
And we're so blessed kasi we continue to have people who supports Islam Book Millionaire. And right now, na
Yes.
season 2 na tayo, syempre dapat agad-agad pasabog yung first episode natin.
Excited ako dito.
Excited na rin ako. Gusto ko nang malaman kung ano ba yung mga tinatago niyang kasagutan sa slam book niya no high school or probably elementary.
Baka ito yung first time na marireveal niya yung mga kasikreto simula nung kabataan niya. Tingnan natin.
I'm looking forward to that. Kung hindi, singilin niyo po kami, our dear viewers. Let us know kung sakasakali na meron pa kayong gustong malaman from our guest ngayong araw na to, then we will help you ma-uncover kung ano pa man po yung mga questions or ano pa man yung mga information that you wanna get from her. But of course, before we call her in, and I know she's so excited already to be part of the conversation right now, allow me to share lang some information about our guest tonight.
Yes,
Ano
please.
today or tonight? Whatever. Time is just a social construct, right? So, yung guest natin, Jev, today, ano siya, she has been one of our most avid, di ba,
Yes.
client. And also, she's one of those people sa community natin na talagang siniseryoso niya ang self-growth.
Yes.
We met her during the first Millionaire Mind Intensive, and then nag-quantum leap siya, and then recently nag-unmessable siya, nag-cash flow siya, nag-take-off summit siya.
Nag-NEC pa siya.
Nag-NEC pa. So essentially,
Lahat.
na. Kaya, because of her, and people like her, kailangan tuloy natin gumawa ng mas marami pang events sa Lourdes.
Para lagi siyang umattend.
Para lagi siyang umattend. But because, you know what? Kasi she's a product of personal development.
Yes.
And she was telling me one time during our conversation na if not because of self-growth talaga, especially the Millionaire Mind Intensive, when she attended it, because she already was living a very chaotic life at that time. But because of the MMI, because of the Quantum Leap, and the other programs that she attended with us, sobrang gumanda yung buhay niya. And believe me, sobrang nagulat ako kasi she's the kind of person na kapag may ginusto siya,
Yes.
nakukuha niya. Not because of pure luck, but because she has this deep and profound faith in herself and also with Father God. But at the same time, she believes truly dun sa pangarap niya.
Yeah, she's a go-getter. As in,
Definitely.
at an achiever. If she wants something, hindi pwedeng hindi niya magawa yun.
Yes.
With
You know,
flying colors.
What I love about her is that, eto lagi niya kasi sinasabi, Miss Jo, Miss Joanna, attend ako ulit ng MMI kasi may ibi-breakthrough ako. Ano na naman ibi-breakthrough mo? Meron akong ganitong building, pangarap, whatsoever na gusto niyang ma-achieve. And she just needed to go back to the Millionaire Mind Intensive specifically kasi kailangan lang niyang maalis ba yung doubt and fear na nakapulupot pa. Pero sure naman na makukuha niya yung goal no matter what.
Yes, that is something kasi may mga client, why do you keep attending MMI? Pare-pareho lang naman yung content.
Yes.
It's because when you attended that seminar, you were in a different state,
Yes.
right? So now you want to attend because you want to unleash something, another potential.
Yes.
You want to achieve something, that's why they keep attending MMI.
Yes. So without further ado, sabihin niyo itong dalawang to nagbebenta na kaagad. Episode 1 pa lang, puro MMI na. Mukhang gusto na kaagad kaming bentahan ng tickets, no? So tawagin na natin siya, Jevely, before pa
Alright.
maumay yung mga viewers natin at before pa sila, alam mo yun, i-walk out tayo dahil wala na tayong sinabi kundi puro MMI. So, let's call her in, our special guest for the first episode of Slumbook Millionaire under Season 2, Miss Annie Macato.
Makato!
Hi! Good morning sa inyong dalawang
I so
magandang
love your
dalaga.
color. It's red. So
Yeah.
fierce.
Yeah. Is red your brand color po ba?
Yes.
So right now that you
Red
have
and
started.
blue.
Red and
Red and
blue.
blue.
Okay, but most of the time, you're wearing what color?
Sa normal days?
Oo.
Well, I like red talaga. Every
Ay.
Monday, naka-red talaga ako.
Ah,
for
talaga?
some reason. Oo.
Okay.
Hindi naman ako in-check, pero gusto ko yung red pag
Hindi ka,
Monday.
oo naman ang Chinese, well, siguro na-associate lang talaga ang red color sa mga
Sa
Chinese,
lock.
oo. Pero kasi red talaga connotes power,
Yes.
right? And I love red color, especially if you are in the industry of selling
Yeah.
or if you are a business owner. Talagang when you want to do something and finish something powerfully,
Yeah.
wear red talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi it adds, no? Yung sa
Yes.
mood din niya. Yes.
You feel
So-
like so powerful at alam mong kahit anong gawin mo, magagawa mo siya.
Oo.
Yes.
Kaya gusto ko Monday naka-red. Tapos the rest of the day, blue, yellow. Yan yung mga favorite colors.
So, tatlong color lang. Okay. Sige, let's start with our first question for you.
Excited ka na ba?
Kasi, sa ano po natin, ang context po kasi ng Slumbook Millionaire, you're familiar with Slumbook.
Yes,
Definitely.
follower ako. At saka lahat, na-realize ko, wala pala kayong binenta na hindi ko binili.
Yes, lahat. Ganun siya ka-supportive.
Kaya nga magbubuo na naman po kami na another product para lang sa'yo. Para hindi ka mawala sa ano ng
Na-realize ko lang
community.
din sa opening nyo kanina. Oo nga, no?
Yes. So, yung Slumbook Millionaire po kasi, we want to go back to your youth, okay? Or yung elementary or high school days natin, wherein we answer mga Slumbook and we allow our friends to get to know us a little bit more, right? So, of course, mga simple questions lang po tayo. But dito kasi, gusto natin siyang i-relate sa journey mo to personal development.
Okay.
Yes. So, first question sa'yo, Miss Annie. Agad-agad, lighten lang kagad natin. Who is your
Simplehan
crush? Simplehan na. Hindi. Sino po yung crush mo, Miss Annie, in the world of personal development? Meaning, when you started attending mga seminars or probably watching mga podcasts, reading self-help books, meron ka po bang in particular one person in mind na siya po yung naging reason kung bakit nagkaroon ka ng different push in you?
Yes.
Girl crush, si Oprah.
Ay,
Yeah, si Oprah. Tapos, sa lalaki, Robert Kiyosaki.
talaga.
Then,
Oo.
ngayon yung mas bata, si Rajiv.
Si Rajiv
Rajiv
Talreja.
Talreja.
Yes.
Rajiv, can you explain more? Sino si Rajiv?
Si Rajiv, utang na loob ko sa kanya yung kung ano yung nangyari sa negosyo ko. Business coach, he's a business coach na sobrang, I feel, nagre-resonate ako sa lahat ng tinuturo niya because he walked the talk.
Yes.
Diba, isa siyang business owner na dumaan din sa napakaraming failures. Tapos nakita ko rin siya. I feel napanood ko siya habang nagwi-win siya. Tapos, nung ine-execute ko rin yung lahat ng tinuturo niya, oo nga, no? Yeah, it works. Hindi lang dun sa industry niya, but also in my industry and the other industry of ng mga klasiko.
Yes. And because of the programs niya, talagang grabe yung
Yeah.
growth ng company.
Lahat ng program ng Lorus is for my personal development, I think. But for sa business, well, ang unang introduction sa akin is yung GBI. di ba?
GBI is Guerrilla Business Intensive.
Yeah. So yun yung unang introduction sa akin ng parang professional learning ko sa pagbi-business. But then ang talagang nag-solidify nun ay yung mga programs ni Rajiv. Tapos napaka-loyal ko kasing tao. Once na when I choose to na ito siya or ipapasukin tong tao na to sa buhay ko, no matter what talaga, dire-diretso ko.
Yeah, even in your marriage, right?
Yeah.
Oo,
Millionaire Man
in any
Intensive, 8 times
relationship.
na akong uma-attend.
So,
Ganun ako
yung
kaloyal.
recent mo, unmessable. So, ibig sabihin,
Every
uulit-ulit ka
every
sa
year.
unmessable.
Grabe yung unmessable. Para siyang corona sa lahat ng
Diba? Ano sabi mo sa akin? Miss Joanna, please welcome the new Annie.
Annie
Sobra,
2.0, ilang
sobra.
version na ba to?
Sobra. 2.4 na siya.
What is can you please tell us who is the new Annie after you attended all these trainings and recently nga yung Unmessable program under Lorus Trainings?
Yeah. Now, who am I is
Oo.
the possibility of being an inspiration.
Yes.
So, when I am in a joyful state, I just know na I am inspiring.
Yes.
Before, hindi ko siya ini-embrace. Dati, di ba, lagi sinasabi, hindi ako magaling, ano mo, hindi ako matalinong tao, ganto, ganyan. Natanggal yun sa unmessable talaga.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, na-drop ko talaga yun, na grabe yung mga label na nilagay ko sa sarili ko. Ako lang naman naglagay nun.
True.
Therefore, ako lang din naman makakatanggal nun.
Yes.
Yes.
Day one
Makakapagpalit
pa
nun.
lang, no? Kasi I was
Yeah.
there, girl. Day one ng Unmessable. And alam mo yung tayo nag-uumpisa before, nag-unmessable tayo, at tahimik natin, sila talaga may mga umiiyak na, grabe na
Yeah.
kagad yung mga na-uncover. And this is just 1 hour or so,
Yeah.
no nandoon sila because nga of the conversations that happen in Unmessable.
That's magical.
Ang galing
Yes.
kasi ni
That's magical.
Coach Aljor
Yes.
mag-ask ng question.
Sobra.
Kasi talaga,
Sabi ko nga,
na-unleash niya eh.
sabi ko nga sa kanya nung mga third day na namin, may sepangs na ako. Sabi ko, Aljur, you're not getting any younger. Are you sure you are doing something para magkaroon ng sustainability to?
Yes.
Alam mo yun? Kasi,
Shifu natin siya.
diba?
Oo.
So sabi niya naman may ginagawa daw siya. So follow up natin siya. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng,
Mawala.
hindi to pwedeng mawala.
Oo.
Yes.
Alam mo yun?
Have you created a new affirmation or declaration for yourself after everything na mga pinagdaanan mo, mga seminars and trainings?
Yeah,
May
that-
nabago ba? Anong
that-
bago mong affirmation?
That I am joyful and I am an inspiring person.
So before talaga, you never see yourself
No.
inspiring.
No.
And pero
I
you've always
catch
been
you.
joyful.
I always catch her
Pero joyful
saying,
person ka naman.
Naku, hindi, Miss Joanna. Challenge area ko ang mag-play.
mag-play.
Yeah, mag-play. Hindi ako marunong mag-play. Siguro nga going back dahil nung bata ako, maaga akong naging responsable, di ba? I mean, I didn't choose that. Pero yun yung napuntahan ko. So, hirap na hirap talaga ako mag-play. Hirap na hirap ako mag-celebrate.
Yeah.
Sa business namin, sa team namin, they are in the celebratory mode na. Ako, what's next na? Lagi akong ganon.
So you never get to enjoy the present moment. Kumbaga
No.
parang you're the kind of person who is always anxious about the future. And when the future is already happening right at that very moment, you never get to acknowledge and be grateful for it.
No.
Kasi nandoon ka na kagad sa next step.
Yeah.
Why is
Okay.
that? If it's okay with you to share.
Siguro dahil, growing up, para ako naging pseudo-parent. So, I have to be responsible for everyone. Tapos, walang space sa akin na mag-enjoy. Hindi talaga nakapaglaro nung bata ako, I think. Hindi ako nakapaglaro kasi
Kahit
maaga
yung mga
ako
Chinese
na-responsible.
garter, piko,
Hindi,
walang
dahil
ganon.
nag-aalaga ako ng mga kapatid ko.
Okay. So how do you play now?
Now, ang play ko na ay magta-travel.
Yes.
Yes.
Pag
Yun
I
ang-
love your photos, lahat ng
Oo.
post mo traveling, and it's good.
Oo.
Nakikita namin na ini-enjoy
Sobra.
mo yung money
Yes.
mo.
Pero yung mga kasi, di ba, syempre travel is a big thing eh. Tsaka, you don't get to travel naman every week or every day because you
Yeah.
have some responsibilities as well. Para on a small scale, how do you make play a part of your life so that you can still continue to reward yourself?
Minsan, manicure, pedicure.
Yun,
Yeah.
oo.
Okay sa akin
Self-care.
yan. Oo.
Yes.
Tapos, buying things also.
Mhm.
Bibili
Ano
ako ng
mga-
bag.
Meron ka bang
Bibili akong
schedule na at least
alahas.
once a week or every weekend, you just enjoy?
I'm trying my
spa ka.
best. I'm trying my best na meron akong once a week. Kasi very consistent ako sa Liam's Day ko, yung kay Liam.
Yeah.
Meron din akong sa amin dalawa ng asawa ko. Sa akin, hirap na hirap ako. Sabi ko nga, di ba, meron akong video dun sa aking personal brand na My Life Begins at 40. Kasi nga dun ko lang siya nakita.
Aha.
Dati, if you will ask me before 40, if you will ask me kung sino yung nasa round table ko, hindi ko kasama yung sarili ko.
Yes.
Lahat sila, everyone. Nung 40 lang talaga ako, doon ko nakita na, shucks, kasama pala ako.
Yes.
Alam mo yun?
Ano yung nag-trigger at that time?
You know, nung mag-40 na ako, everything's well, alam mo yon. I'm getting what I wanted.
Yeah.
Maganda yung buhay.
Maganda yung
I think
business.
yung lifestyle na gusto ko okay naman. May family ko okay din naman. Huy, parang after pandemic siguro triggered ng pandemic kasi 'di ba sanay akong rarara lagi may ginagawa. Tapos natigil lang ako, nag-garden ako, nagtatanim ako. Alam mo yun?
Yes, yes.
Parang nade-depress ako. Tapos parang gusto ko nang magpakamatay. Parang ganon. Tapos sabi ko, shucks. Tapos ang maganda lang sa akin, I know how to ask help. So, punta ako sa isang therapist. Sabi ko, huy, ba't ganito yung nararamdaman ko?
Yes.
Tapos, sabi niya, you know what? People like you, ang hindi maiintindihan ng marami kapag nagpakamatay ka bigla. Kasi wala ka namang
True,
rason.
true. Because
Alam mo yun?
for so many people, they look at you and you would
Very
seem
successful.
successful, you would
Yeah.
seem so happy, you have a very successful business, you're helping a lot of people, and yet, sa nagkulang? Ano
Oo,
nangyari, diba?
oo.
So, sobrang nakakapagtaka. But, thankfully, thank God, and congratulations to you that you were able to overcome that phase in your
Yeah.
life. Sabi nga nila, there's always a season for every person eh. So there's a season talaga na magiging sad tayo, and I think that's already part of the journey talaga. Hindi po
Yeah.
pwede na hindi ka sasadsad. I don't lahat ng mga nakikilala kong successful people talaga na alam mo yun, those people na nilo-look up right now, when I trace back and I try to study their own stories, talagang meron sila yung hitting the rock bottom eh, na story,
Yeah.
part na story.
And in my case, ang nakakatawa, kung kailan ako maayos na yung buhay at maalwan ng buhay, yung wala na akong masyadong problema, doon ko siya naramdaman, kaya inis na inis ako sa sarili ko. Alam mo yon. Kasi,
Yeah.
siguro ako yung chaos-oriented. So, pag may chaos, doon ako buhay na
Nagtatribe.
buhay.
Productive.
Oo, doon ako.
Yes, oo.
So, pag walang ginagawa.
What I like about what you did, yun nga sinabi mo, okay lang sa'yo to ask help. Kasi
Yeah.
sa mga successful people, they don't want asking help. Kasi feeling nila, alam mo yun,
Nakakababa,
yes,
nakakahina.
Kasi
Yes.
I feel weak, ba't kailangan ko pumunta sa psychiatrist? Pero ikaw, you're very open.
Yeah.
Which is dapat tularan ng maraming tao, to be honest.
Oo.
Kesa naman hintayin mo to the point na, yun na nga, makamatay na. And
Yeah.
nobody knows the reason why.
Yeah.
And napaka-successful nga.
Yeah. So siguro, lagi ko na sinasabi, alam mo yun, lagi akong binibigyan ng isang pagkakataon o sitwasyon sa buhay ko na hindi ko gusto, tapos hindi rin talaga masarap, alam mo yun, hindi masarap sa pakiramdam. But I'm always grateful kasi alam kong guided ako. Alam mo, kung saan ako itapon, laging it's either maganda yung sitwasyon, pangit yung sitwasyon pero may mabuting tao.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? So I think during that time, ang nangyari sa akin is that hindi siya nakakatakot na episode kasi nakarating ako dun sa thoughts na yon. Pero I feel significant siya sa akin kasi parang binigyan ako ng Diyos ng glimpse na, this is your second level. Second state of your life. Alam mo yun. So, kaya very easy ko lang siya ikwento. Kasi unang-una, I did the right thing. Humingi ng tulong. Hindi ko siya
Yes.
sinarili. And when you ask help kasi talaga, He will shower all the help that you need naman.
Yes,
People,
because nobody would
things.
know that you are suffering unless you talk about
Yeah.
it.
And
that's
ask and you shall receive.
yes, and that's
Yeah.
why sa mga viewers po natin, if you are undergoing, if there's a very if you are in a very challenging phase in your life, do not ever think po na nag-iisa ka.
Yeah. No,
All you have
no.
to do right now
No.
is to look and ask.
Yes.
Kasi baka yung mga friends mo and family mo na ine-expect mo who would come to your rescue, baka naman kasi wala silang idea that you need rescuing na pala.
Yeah.
Diba?
And it doesn't make you weak.
Yes,
If you ask
exactly.
help.
Oo. So, Miss Annie, another question for you. What is your favorite movie po na nakatulong ng husto sa'yo para sa self-growth mo?
Siguro naman ngayon, you watch movies na. You
Yan.
spend
Ayun
time
pala,
na.
yun yung isang inaano ko. Pag halimbawa, kasi yung thoughts ko tuloy-tuloy yan, lalo na when I am creating something, para ma-disrupt siya, kasi kawawa naman yung team.
Oo.
Pero meron silang time to, nagne-Netflix ako.
Yes.
Kaya
Ano
isa
yung
talaga
latest mo
siya.
na napanood na sobrang, wow, ano yun, parang eureka or parang, uy, ang ganda ng lesson na yun na po pwede mo ma-apply sa sarili mo. Meron ka bang ganun? Or baka ano lang, puro comedy lang ba yung pinipili mo?
Hindi. Hinahanap ko lagi mga true story. Yung true to
Ano yung
life story.
recently mo?
Well, ang pinaka talaga is yung Pursuit of Happiness.
Yes.
Lagi ko siyang pinapanood.
Chris Gardner.
Ulit-ulit, 'di ba? Tapos I don't know the title, nakalimutan ko na, pero yung naggawa ng theme song na You Make Everything Beautiful. You make everything in my life beautiful.
Is it a Christian movie?
It's a Christian movie, pero sobrang ganda. Text ko sa inyong title.
Sige, patingin natin para before matapos yung episode
Yeah.
natin,
Bahala
maalala mo.
naman.
Can someone, look up sa Google, ano yan? Yung soundtrack?
Yeah, soundtrack nun. Tapos siya yung gumawa ng kanta na yun. Tapos that movie is about that song. So, maganda siya. You Make Everything Beautiful. Pa-check.
Yeah. So in relation to your song,
Uh-huh.
ano pong favorite song mo?
That song.
That's the reason. Pero yung dati po, meron ka po bang parang special sound na pinapakinggan na parang ito yung pick me up song mo? Meron
Yung
ka?
yung Millionaire Mind Intensive pagdulo, yung
I have a millionaire.
Hindi, yung dulo natin na
Yung
One Moment
One
in
Moment in
Time.
Time.
sige nga, sample.
What is it about the One Moment in Time?
kasi nung unang-unang umatanda ko ng Millionaire Mind Intensive, sobra akong na-overwhelm talaga sa mga changes na nangyayari sa akin nung 3 araw na yon. Tapos nung kinakanta yung song na yun, birit na birit talaga ako. Kahit sintonado, alam mo yun.
Umiiyak ka ba that time?
Oo. Kasi I think yun yung isa rin sa time na parang, oo nga. I mean, it gives me hope. Alam mo yon. So, siguro mga 6 na buwan kong pinapatugtog yun every morning.
Yes.
Alam mo yun?
Oo.
So, yeah, that one. At saka yung Today My Life Begins, yung kay
Yes.
Bruno Mars. Yan, gustong-gusto ko rin yan. Yan yung mga kinakanta ko sa,
If there is one moment in your life, i-connect natin siya.
Akala ko bas lambok may yun pang grade 1 at saka pang high school.
Anong one moment in life mo that you are, sabi mo, you're really proud of, na hindi mo makakalimutan na i-share lagi, na because of that, you became this and that?
Marami rin talaga. Ngayon, siguro ngayon, nung pag nakikita ko yung anak ko. Yeah,
How
yun
young
yung
is he
ngayon.
nga?
He's 12 now.
Oo,
Liam,
tapos
si Liam.
talagang nasa self-development na rin siya ngayon.
Ayan.
Nabasa na
Bine-brainwash
niya
ko
Secrets
talaga
of the
siya.
Millionaire Mind. Which is a good brainwashing, right?
Brainwash ko kasi kailangan ko siyang, binubudol ko siyang magbasa ng libro.
How do you boodle him?
Ay, binabayaran ko.
Wow.
Talaga?
Oo.
Paano bayad? To the parents out there, kung nahihirapan po kayo, encourage yung mga children ninyo, paano magbasa or mag-aral ng husto, or even start at a young age into the self-growth journey nila.
Yeah.
Please listen to this. So, Miss Annie, how do you boodle your child?
So, yung anak ko, yung buhay niya is malayo sa buhay ko nung bata ako. So, but I make sure na hindi siya magiging brat. Alam mo yun?
Yes, spoiled,
Spoiled.
yes,
Alam mo yun? So, ang
oo.
ginagawa ko, defined sa kanya, klaro sa kanya, na ipoprovide lang namin ng daddy niya sa kanya is yung basic, yung needs. Anything beyond needs na wants na niya, klaro sa kanya na hindi siya basta-basta makakahingi. Alam mo yun?
Nice.
So, dahil wala siyang extra money para sa mga wants niya, even halimbawa may mga nagre-regalo sa kanya ng money pag Pasko, nakalagay yun sa,
Nakatabi.
meron siyang money
okay,
jar
okay.
system. Syempre, naituro ko na sa kanya yun.
Oo.
Meron siyang lagayan din na piggy bank. Tapos every year, i-deposit niya yun sa bank.
Oh.
So, wala talaga siyang magagamit.
Okay.
So, dahil doon, ang nanay na controlling, dahil gusto ko siyang masanay na magbasa, hindi ko siya pinupush sa school. Alam mo yun, hindi ko siya sinasabing dapat first honor ka. As long as sabi ko you did well, tapos hindi ka naman bagsak, okay ako doon. Alam mo yun. Pero, reading ng mga personal growth na books na negotiable sa akin. So, para mapasunod ko siya, babayaran ko siya.
Okay.
Doon siya nagkakaroon ng extra pera. So, ngayon yun yung negosyo niya sa
How
akin.
much?
Depende sa libro. Like,
Per page ang bayad?
hindi, yung halimbawa, nagsimula siya halimbawa, yung Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, hindi masyadong makapal yan. So, maliit na book, 5,000 bayad ko sa kanya.
Hoy,
Grabe,
bayaran
ang
mo rin
laki.
ako. Teka,
Hoy,
meron
tapos,
akong
ako yung sunod.
meron ako 100 books na nandoon na kailangan kong basahin. So,
Tapos,
100.
para hindi
5,000!
Hoy, gusto ko tong gusto ko tong negosyo. Sa mga viewers po namin, kung naghahanap po kayo ng reader, bibigay ko po sa profound summary. Willing po ako for another job like that.
Ayun, tapos para malaman ko na hindi niya ako chinachani-chani doon sa pagbabasa, every 10
Tinitest
pages,
mo.
kailangan meron siyang write-up. Every 10 pages.
Ah,
Wow,
yes,
may
so,
book report.
accountability.
5,000 yun, girl.
Every chapter.
Every chapter?
No, 10 pages. Kasi
Okay.
10, at least 10
Sa
pages
bagay
a
kasi
day.
you have to be accountable also eh. Ay,
Pero ang galing. Ang galing,
Oo.
no?
So may write-up siya, dahil nabasa ko na yung libro, alam ko kung anong sinusulat niya.
Yeah.
Tapos sa
okay,
dulo,
so ikaw yung nag-recommend ng book?
yeah.
May
Okay.
book report after.
Tapos sa dulo, pag tapos na niya yung lahat, summarize.
Pero
ano
ang
yung
galing,
natutunan
ang
mo.
na-practice niya yung reading skills, yung writing skills.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero is he enjoying it naman? Other than the intrinsic, extrinsic reward, is he enjoying it naman po? Nakikita mo naman na nagugustuhan niya talaga yung, nagugustuhan niya talaga naman yung task that you are giving him.
Ngayon, alam kong hindi masyado.
Okay.
Lalaki, alam mo yon.
Yes.
Tapos gusto ko siyang maging abogado. Pangarap
Okay,
ko lang yun para
okay.
sa kanya, pero at the end of the day, siya pa rin masusunod.
Yes.
So gusto ko talagang ma-develop yung reading. Lalaki, hindi siya masyado talaga.
Oo.
So
Uy,
right now,
wala po
nag-enjoy pa
tayo
lang siya
dito.
sa
Hindi
reward.
po natin generalize sa paglalaki. Ayaw magbasa.
Yung anak ko lang
Yung
yun.
anak lang po niya.
Yung anak
Baka
ko lang
mamaya
yun.
mabash tayo, nag-generalize tayo.
Wala ka lang yun. So, hindi ko pa nakikitang nilulook forward niya talaga. Ang nilulook forward niya is reward. Especially kapag halimbawa gusto niya, ngayon, addict siya sa gitara, addict siya sa camera.
Yes.
Alam mo yun. Ang mamahal, no? Hanggang hanggang 150 baon lang yung gusto kong ibigay sa kanya. Pero
Yes.
pag mga thousands na, at saka marunong ng pumorma, so pag mga ganun yung gusto niya, sige, basa ka
Kasi
na libro.
nagbibinata na eh.
Yeah. You're
Oy,
teaching
yung
him the
rich
value
dad-
of money.
Yeah, yung Rich Dad Poor Dad, mas makapal yun, di ba?
Oo.
10,000 yun, ma'am. So,
Paano kung yung ganun kapal? 15?
yung Rich Dad Poor Dad pa naman yung
Wait,
parang medyo
encyclopedia. Miss Annie, I promise. Bibigyan kita summary.
Pwede bang ampunin mo ko?
Go, halika.
I promise. Magbabasa din ako.
So, nag-enjoy kami mag-ina doon. Yun yung nagiging parang deep conversation namin, lalo na pag yung summary na.
Yes.
Kasi sa dulo, doon ko na-realize, ganun, ngayon ko nalalaman na gusto niya rin maging businessman.
Yes.
Alam mo
oo.
yun. Nagsimula siya sa pagiging basurero nung 3 years old. Gusto niya maging basurero. Kasi nakikita niya yung truck ng basurahan.
Okay.
Tapos naging lifeguard. Tapos ngayon, nung nagbabasa na ng libro,
Nag-e-evolve
nag-evolve, business owner na yung gusto niya.
Yes.
So, sulit yung aking investment.
Yes, true. So to all the parents out there, imagine having your child, it can be parang, yun nga, you have to give them a reward.
Yeah.
Pero kasi it would lead to developing the habit. And we know
Yeah,
naman,
yeah.
habit has to be done over and over again before mo talaga siya ma-incorporate as part of your personality.
Yeah.
Diba? So
Tapos
maganda yung ginagawa mo.
dinadala ko siya sa Millionaire Man Intensive.
Yeah.
How many
Ano,
times
sa-
a
Yung hindi
Talaga,
pa umaattend, yung anak ko nakakahiya naman 3 beses na.
Diba? Sinasabi kasi nila how young pwede umattend, diba?
Oo.
Usually kasi sa policies ni SR, 18 years old. But their parents talaga.
9
they
years
want-
old siya nag-start.
Do you see? 9
We
years
allowed
old.
naman eh. Meron tayo
Yes,
7
pero we
years
still
old.
allow.
Yeah.
Meron yung 6 months old eh.
Tapos,
Oo, meron ako.
Lumalala na rin.
Meron kaming MMI babies. Sabi.
yeah, I think 9 years old magandang start kasi tinitingnan ko yung workbook ng anak ko that time. May sinusulat siya. Gusto ko yung
Nice.
yung activity. 'Di ba?
Yes.
Na nagsusulat siya, nagtatanong,
Yes.
inaalam yung emotions niya.
Mm-mm.
So yun yung ano ko.
I
Checking
think
na,
yun
okay
din yung
naman
ma-
siya,
ano,
healthy
no?
naman yung
I think
emotions
yun din yung
niya.
maganda kasi ngayon sa 'di ba, of course nagpo-progress naman ng curriculum,
Yeah.
nagpa-progress na rin yung way of teachings for the students right. Unlike nung kabataan siguro natin na parang strict lang na English, Filipino, math yung tinuturo. Pero right now there's really a conversation, there's already coaching that's happening in the
Yeah.
school eh. So that's why as early as 8 or 9, medyo mas open na. Plus of course TikTok, the
Yeah.
generation right now, 'di ba? very ano na sila exposed na sila with this kind of conversations talaga.
Yeah.
So,
Yes. There are schools also like yung I was invited to speak in Saints Co. And there ang program sila financial literacy. Sabi ko, so you're so lucky that at your age you
Yeah.
have this
Yeah,
access
yeah.
to this kind of trainings. Kasi
Yes.
nung time namin wala eh.
yes,
Wala talaga.
evolved na talaga. So speaking of conversations, Miss Annie, while you are having conversations with your family, ano po yung favorite food na gusto mo na nandoon while you are having that kind of heart-to-heart talk, maybe with Liam or maybe with your husband or somebody very close to you? Parang siya yung comfort food mo.
Well, kaming tatlo, gusto namin ng steak. Oh, ang yaman na namin, steak na yung gusto namin. Dati
Wagyu?
wala.
Wagyu A5?
As in, I mean, lahat kaming tatlo, favorite talaga namin yan. So kapag may mga special, ako pag may mga gagawin akong bago. Tapos ako kasi para akong horse, may tapaludo ako pag may ginawa akong bago. So kailangan ko silang iset. So ang gagawin ko, i-date ko silang dalawa. Tapos steak talaga, kasi yun yung gustong-gusto nilang dalawa. Tapos ako, nagustuhan ko na rin siya. Tapos, doon ko sasabihin na, meron akong gagawin na ganito.
Sukol pala
In the
yun.
in the next alam ba, 2 weeks or 3 weeks or in the next 6 months, may ganito ako.
Ganun.
I just want you to know na kayo pa rin yung priority ko. Anytime of the day, pag kailangan nyo ako, sasabihan nyo, but you need to tap me. Kasi nga, hindi ako conscious lalo pag naka-intuit ako doon sa project na gagawin ko or sa panibagong negosyong bubuksan ko, ganun.
Yes.
So, align
Nakakatuwa.
sila.
Which is
Oo.
good. Kasi
Oo.
usually, pag naging busy ka, lagi sinasabi nila, wala na namang panahon si mami.
Oo.
Pero ito kasi mina-mindset mo na.
Oo.
Nagpapaalam ka na in advance. So,
Yeah.
hindi sila magugulat pag wala ka bigla.
Very conscious ako doon, Miss Jeb, na alagaan talaga yon. Ito yung small family ko. Alam mo yon na ito yung core ko, ito yung anchor ko.
Yes.
I do what I do right now. Lahat to, sila talagang inspirasyon ko.
Yeah,
Silang
tsaka,
dalawa, alam mo yun.
No matter what kasi, whatever the chaos, whatever the joys around us, they are the people that you would still go home to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oo.
At sila yung reason ba't hindi ako naliligaw. Alam mo yun, sila yung reason ba't, di ba, ang daming pagkakataon na, ang dami mo nagawa, napapagod ka, tapos hindi mo alam, tama ba to? Alam mo yun, tama ba
Yes.
itong direction ko
Anchor
na to?
mo na sila.
Lagi ko silang anchor.
Yes.
So, utang na loob ko sa kanila lahat ng results ko.
That is so nice.
Yeah.
Pero nung ano ka po ba, nung lumalaki ka, kasi di ba, you took care of the family. Is this the kind of dynamics that you have in your
Oh,
family?
no.
Or kaya ka naging ganito ngayon as a mom, as a
Yeah.
wife? It's because ito yung wala nung lumalaki ka.
Yes. I do think this daw yan eh. Kung ano yung environment na kinalakihan mo, it's either you will copy that
Yes.
or yung sobrang
opposite.
kabalik, the opposite
Yes.
yun.
Oo.
Oo. So, I'm very conscious of that, na ayoko siyang magaya. So, sa aming, kung paano buo pa naman yung family ko, nandiyan pa naman yung nanay at tatay ko, magkasama pa rin naman sila, alam mo yun. Pero chaotic talaga yun. And I just know na isa yun sa itsura or dynamics ng family na ayaw kong maging.
Yes, yes.
Initial stage ng asawa namin, meraramdaman ko yun na parang, papunta kami sa direction na to, hindi maaari. Alam mo
Okay,
yun.
okay.
So, it's a conscious decision between me and my husband na ayusin natin to kasi this is the kind of family na gusto ko.
Yeah, so the
Alam mo
cycle
yan.
ends with you. Parang
Yes.
ganun na. So you have to
Oo.
change the next
Oo.
generation. Dapat wala ng ganun.
Yes, yun talaga
Which is
yung
good.
lagi kong pinagpe-pray. Kasi hindi siya madali. Ang hirap.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, being self-conscious, it takes a lot of effort diba? And being self-aware also. Ikaw yung magkakaroon ka ng self-diagnosis na, okay, I'm doing this wrong, I'm doing this right, what can I do differently? Alam mo, you're having that kind of conversation within yourself para nakakaloka, tapos kailangan maging brutal ka sa sarili mo kasi ikaw na yun diba?
Yeah. Ang pinaka, I think, this is guide or grace na rin talaga galing sa Diyos. Kahit nung bata ako, I never been into blaming.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Awa ng Diyos ko. Kasi, kaya ngayon kapag someone is blaming, kitang-kita ko talaga kasi nga sabi ko, hindi siya hindi ko siya naging attitude.
Yes.
At dahil doon, mas maraming nag-open opportunities sa akin. Lagi akong pabalik sa sarili ko. Alam mo yun, pag may nangyayari, even if feeling ng maraming tao or tingin ng maraming tao is kasalanan to nung nasa labas or outside of you, hindi Alam ko lang, kailangan kong bumalik sa akin, meron yan dito.
Yes. That's
Meron
one of the
yang
things,
dito.
diba? Core lessons natin from Unmessable.
Oo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Diba? 0 over 100.
Yes.
It's all about us talaga. Whatever is happening in our lives, it's on us.
Oo.
Yan.
So, yun yung parang napangalanan siya dun sa Unmessable.
Yes,
But then,
oo.
isa na rin pala talaga siya sa...
Yeah. Speaking of the
bigyan.
0-100, what was your thoughts at that time, yung 0-100?
Anak ko, sabi, tinatawanan ako ni Aljur. Kasi nandun ako sa gilid na gilid. Tapos parang ako nagpapalpitate na. Parang,
Nahirapan kang tanggapin at that time na parang, it's all on me pala. Hindi siya yung, kasi di ba sabi mo kanina, parang aware ka na you don't blame kasi alam mo na may participation ka.
Yeah.
Pero, ano yung extent ng participation na alam mo? Parang, is it like 10% or parang most couple ka ba na 50%? 50% wrong ka, 50% wrong ako, or 50% okay ka, 50% okay ako?
On that part pala, medyo prepared na ako nung dumating. Sa dami ba naman ng trainings na inattendan ko? Meron akong same training na katulad nung kay Aljur, pero yung kay Rajiv, yung expedition niya. Somehow ganun yung conversations doon eh. Pero I feel, na-prepare lang ako doon, nakarak lang ako doon, dito talaga ako nabuksan ng gusto. So,
parang kung nauga ka pala, nauga ka
lang
doon.
ako doon.
Ito talagang binuksan na para sa iyo, Pandora's box na.
Yeah, and I never expected it. No, lalo na nung day 1 ng gabi, parang sobrang, sabi ko, ako ba to? Ba't ako nagkakaganito?
Day 1 activity.
Matatapos siya sa enrollment conversation.
Yan. At saka
And I
meron siya
thought
yung,
wala
yung hindi
na.
natin mag-gets na tanong.
Na tanong.
Oo,
Yeah.
yun siya.
I
Yes.
thought wala na akong kailangan gawing enrollment conversation to anyone. Kasi nga, nagawa ko na ng maayos, sa sementohan ko na, nagagalit na ako kay Aljur. Sabi ko talaga, who are you to do this to me today?
In your mind, or you said it
I'm
openly?
telling him.
Okay.
Kasi nung pinaprocess niya na ako, galit na galit talaga ako sa kanya.
Aha.
Tapos inalaw niya ako, sige, sabihan mo ako na masama.
Ganun ang, that's what good about Aljur.
Ay,
He's very
unmessable
open,
kasi
unmessable
siya.
Kasi
Sobra.
ako ganun din.
Sa lahat
Galit na
ng
galit ako.
training, well, dahil ako to, nasa level na ako talaga ng personality development, unmessable talaga yung top.
Yes.
Sa lahat ng na-attendan ko, even international. Sabi ko, nagbayad ako, halos 1 million yung 8 days namin, alam mo yon. Pero ito, sabi ko, Aljur.
Sorry po, Food Sim naman, bumalik na naman po kami sa program ni Lorus. Yes, it's a signature program po of Lorus, trainings, yung unmessable, yung pinag-uusapan namin po right now. But if you are in your stage, in your life right now, either you feel like you're already complete and you're ready to the next level, or you feel incomplete at nai-stuck ka sa level na to,
Yes. Yeah.
unmessable is the program for
Or
you.
just, you don't understand yourself.
You
punta
don't
ka
know what
doon.
you don't know.
Yeah, even in the case of Miss
Maganda.
Annie, she's very successful.
May gusto ko sabihing word.
She's very successful, pero when she attended Unmessable, ang dami pa rin na-unlist.
Oo.
Yes.
Well, I think ako naman, I dedicate myself to be a lifelong learner din
Yes,
talaga.
yes.
So, pero ito yung pinakang tugatog ng aking pag-aaral, yung Unmessable so far. Parang nilagay niya talaga ako sa conscious state of I total surrender. Controlling ako, lumaki akong controlling.
yes.
So, hirap na hirap talaga ako doon.
Oo.
Pero when he said that my life is meaningless and empty, oh my God, pwede.
Please explain.
Oo. Doon ako hirap na hirap.
Doon ka
Yes.
nahirapan.
Doon ako nahirapan.
Lahat ng emotions na naramdaman mo, no?
Yeah. Parang
pareho
ako
tayo.
nagpapalpitate ako na hindi ko maintindihan, hindi ako pumapayag. But then, nung na-realize ko siya, ang galing din lang talaga nung training niya. Oo nga naman.
Yes.
So ngayon, mas relax ako, mas surrendering ako, wala akong maraming interpretasyon.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? Yun
Facts
yung
versus oh my gosh.
Diba?
Masyado kang naging understanding.
Oo.
Sa team namin, interpretation mo yan.
Yeah.
Hindi
and
yan yung facts.
I love my life now. I'm so in love with my life now after lalo ng Unmessable. I'm in love na few years, mga 4 years na akong masayang-masaya sa kung ano nasan yung journey ko. But after Unmessable talaga, sabi ko nga, I'm so in love with my life.
So what's the next step for you, Miss Annie? Now that you are the new version of Annie, who is joyful,
Yeah.
who do not give interpretations anymore, it is what it is. Sabi nga, so you're that kind of person right now that it is what it is. So what's the next step for you?
Well, I think na-open yung receiving ko. Before, lagi kong nire-resist. Even if they're
Yes.
telling na, alam mo, you're so inspiring. Nag-uusap lang tayo, you're inspiring. Lagi nilang sinasabi yan. Hindi ko siya ini-embrace. Ngayon, I think it opened up. Nire-receive ko talaga na parang, okay, Lord, give me more. Alam mo yon, parang I
yes.
can do this, I will do this, alam mo yon. And if ang will niya talaga is maging inspiration ako sa maraming tao, and I will do that. Kaya, thank you sa'yo. I
Wala namang
tried to put
aksidente,
myself
diba?
out here now, alam mo yon.
Yes.
Very masaya talaga ako. I'm enjoying the journey.
Yay.
Super. walang nagbago, just ang nagbago lang talaga is yung mindset ko na hindi ito ako. Binigay ito sa akin. Ang gagawin ko lang is i-receive ko siya.
You are just a
Yes.
vessel.
Oo.
You know what I love with everything that you shared? Despite na you acknowledge yourself, you do not forget to acknowledge the people who also help you. Ako kasi, core value ko yan, Miss Annie. Alam mo yan napag-usapan natin, di ba? For me, it's very important na in my journey, I would never forget yung mga tao na tumulong sa akin. Kahit na 1% or napakaliit na bagay yung ginawa niya, pero nakatulong yan ng husto sa akin to
Yeah.
become the person that I am.
Good or bad?
Good or
Yes.
bad. But of course, more so of the good. Kasi we amplify we're the ones who amplify the good things and the bad things in our lives.
Yeah.
Bad na nga, ba't pa natin i-amplify? So I only focus on the good things so that more good things are gonna happen into my life. But thank you, kasi you appreciate the people that's around you. You started
Yeah.
with Rajiv, you started with the MMI, we started with, you even always thank Lorus, and right now, Jeff, because siya nga yung nagsabi sa'yo na do this. So, not so many people are like that, na nakakalimutan nila na bukod sa kanila, may mga tao pa rin pala na kailangan mo rin pasalamatan.
Yeah.
And I think that's something that we can impart to our viewers right now, especially ang mundo natin right now, parang so many people, ang paniniwala nila, the success that they have, it's all due to them. Diba? So, I just want to highlight that and I want to let people know, yun yung kinatutuwa ko ng husto sa'yo. Kasi lagi pag magkakaroon tayo ng text, uy, Miss Jo, thank you for Unmessable, thank you for this, thank you for that. You never forget to give thanks.
Yeah. Kasi pag thankful ka, pag grateful ka, lalong dumadami.
Yes.
True.
So if I'm grateful with people na nakatulong sa akin, sabi ko nga, even bad, alam mo yun, even bad, nalalagyan ko talaga siya ng sarili kong interpretation na it is working for me. Eh, masakit siya, but it worked for me.
Yes.
So, dahil may ganun akong mindset, I think good things also always.
Kasi everything happens for a reason and the reason is there to serve us.
Yeah.
Yan siya.
Mahirap siya dating. May mahirap siya dating panindigan, pero siguro sa dami na talaga ng pinagdaanan ko.
Yeah, ang lalim na ng ng journey mo to personal development. You even anong ipinuntahan ninyo ni Rajiv? Saan kayo
Yung
nakarating?
expedition.
Yeah,
Yung
unknown expedition.
Yes.
Unknown
Yeah, unknown expedition.
Unknown expedition, diba? Kung
So you
saan
don't know
ka
where,
na
saan ka nila dadalhin. Hindi ko alam kung
Yes.
saan ka nila dadalhin. So,
Kahit
ganda.
na, I mean, you already achieved this kind of success, hindi mo pa rin nakakalimutan yung personal development. You always
hindi.
study. You always enroll to different programs for you to grow.
Iyan yung bagay na reward ko lagi sa sarili ko.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, hindi na siya task.
Oo.
Reward ko siya sa sarili ko lagi. Na parang, alam ko lang time to time. Di ba at any level of you, there's a certain level of
Yes.
kailangan mo ulit i-break through. Alam mo yun.
True.
So,
Kasi complacency
Happy
is the killer of all dreams.
yeah, yun.
So we cannot be
hindi.
complacent talaga.
No.
So,
Cannot.
Miss Annie, usually kasi people would ask, what would be your message to the people watching us? But you already provided lots of messages to them just by sharing your own story, your journey. So ang gusto kong itanong sana sa'yo as our ending question is that, what is your message to yourself?
Oh. Go girl. Super thank you kasi you're here now. Alam mo yun? Kasi for the longest time, I think first 40 years of my life, di talaga siya kasali. So now that I found you, I will never let you go again. Never.
Nice.
Alam mo, siya na yung top priority ko. Ito nga yung hierarchy ko. Myself, my husband, my son, my parents, my siblings, my best friends, my team, and all the people that is dear to me. So, yun yung hierarchy ng aking relationship.
That's good.
Dati wala siya. Dati lahat ibang tao.
Sa ibang tao.
Tapos gulo-gulo pa. Alam mo yun. Ngayon, very clear sa akin yung hierarchy na yun.
Yes.
Alam mo yun. Tapos, my husband is second. Slumbook millionaire. Grade 3 pa lang. Marupok na ako doon sa asawa ko na yun.
Mahal na niya.
Ano ka grabe yung pagmamahal mo,
Oo,
no?
grade 3 ako. Alam mo
Elementary.
siya yung Boy Scout na nagtataas ng watawat ng Pilipinas.
In love ka.
Sabi ko, ngayon medyo mataba na siya, pero dati puging-pugi talaga ako.
So,
So,
ka pala talaga ka-loyal, ba sabi mo, very loyal ka?
Oo.
Grabe, isa lang
People-
from grade 3?
yeah. Ang asawa ko, grade 3 ko pa siya,
Crush.
bet. So,
Okay. Pero naging kayo,
naging kami college.
ang
Third
tagal.
year college
Pero may naging
kami.
boyfriends ka before him?
Meron akong naging 2 boyfriend. Isa ng high school, 2 pala nung high school.
Aha,
Oh.
aha.
Naku, alam niya, isa lang.
So ngayon hindi na. Ay, Miss Annie, sobrang bitin yung oras natin. Ang dami pa namin gusto itanong. Yes, pero is there anybody that you want to acknowledge or parang give thanks for now? Sino pang mga gusto mong pasalamatan in your life or maybe in your business?
Yeah, well, unang-una, salamat talaga sa Diyos, 'di ba, for my
Yes,
life. Then,
yes.
thank you sa aking asawa. Mahal na mahal ko yan. At saka ang aking anak. Sila ang buhay ko. They are my everything. The two of
Yes.
them. Tapos, si brother, yung best friend ko, si Marinel, she's my business partner
Hi, Miss
also.
Nel!
Yeah. She's one of my people for life. Diba? Tapos,
Mag-unmessable na rin siya.
yeah.
Dapat, pag unmessablin mo siya.
Naka-enroll na siya.
Ay,
Nice!
Day 2 pa lang, minessage ko na siya.
Pati si Rafi.
Yeah, I hope.
Yeah.
I hope. Silang
Tingnan
mag-asawa.
natin silang dalawa.
Oo. Tapos, may team, 'di ba? May team, may other business partners and my team. Sila yung reason kung bakit nakaka-travel ako ng isang buwan nang hindi ako nag-aalala. The business is still growing kasi I have a very, very competent and committed team. So, thank you sa inyo guys. Thank you sa mga kapatid ko at saka sa mga magulang ko, 'di ba? Wala naman ako dito kung wala sila.
True.
Siyempre, thank you Lorus. Alam mo 'yon. Baby ako ng Lorus, simula nung panganay kami.
Oh,
Tapos
yes.
ako yung panganay na hindi umalis talaga
Ikaw
ever.
talaga, hindi ka naging prodigal son.
Yeah.
Hindi ka naging prodigal
Yeah,
child.
never.
Oo, never,
Every
you
time
never
na
left
tatawagin niyo
us.
ako at may pwede akong ibigay, kahit hindi pa ako naniniwala na ako yun. Sige, sabi niyo alam mo yun.
Yes.
Tsaka
And-
napaka-generous niyo po.
Yeah.
Generous and so kind.
Kasi kung wala, alam ko naman na ginamit din talaga ng Diyos ang pagkakatayo ng Lorus at yung pagdadala nyo ng lahat ng mga trainings na yon na naging beneficial sa akin. Alam mo yon. But then again, walang mangyayari kung wala kayo. 'Di ba? So, thank you so much sa inyong dalawa. Thank you sa Lorus.
Thank you to
Okay.
Jerome and Angie
And
as
Jerome
well.
and Angie,
Especially to
thank
them.
you,
Kasi
yeah.
sila po talaga yung nag-start ng Lorus. Wala kami sa Lorus if not because of Jerome and Angie.
Yeah. So, thank you so
Yes.
much, Jerome and Angie. Salamat sa inyong lahat, sa team ng Lorus. Salamat ng maraming. Oy, co-create, salamat. I am enjoying my vloggerist life.
Yes! In-embrace na talaga.
The vloggerist. Yes.
Yeah,
Ayan.
salamat ng marami sa inyo and congratulations sa inyong
And
Slam
thank you
Book
so
Millionaire.
much to Miss
Thank
Annie.
you so much. Ayan. Thank you, Miss Annie. We really picked up so many wisdom and insights from you. And of course, sure ako yung mga viewers po natin right now, marami na rin po silang naisulat para po maging guide din nila moving forward to their own journey to being the millionaire or probably the billionaire that they always want to be. So salamat po.
Thank
Salamat
you.
for giving us your time. Napaka-precious.
Yeah.
Alam namin po na ang dami mong ginagawa, especially that you have an upcoming event,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Ayan, so maraming salamat po.
Ay, oo, thank you rin pala kay Rajiv. Sorry, hindi maubos-ubos. Last message
Yes.
to everyone. One thing that I got from Millionaire Mind Intensive, kaya ako paulit-ulit, simpleng naging formula ko, yung tinuturong formula nila is may create an active income, create a passive income. Huwag kalilimutan, simplify.
Yes.
Alam mo yon. Alam mo, yun lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. Yun lang yung, sabi ko nga, yun lang yung game plan ko sa buhay ko. Create something very, very active na
Yes.
magbibigay sa akin ng active income. At bibigyan ako ng, then after that, dinadala ko siya sa passive income. Then, hindi ako nagpapaka-extravagant, alam mo yun, ng life. So, simplify pa rin at the end of the day.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
And we
Ayan,
will
so
put
that's
the
my
link of MMI in the comment section.
Oo, alam mo,
Kasi nagbenta na siya.
kung pwede ko talagang dalhin lahat, well, I think wala sa team namin na hindi naka-attend nun. Kasi ganun ako kaloyan.
Even mga friends mo,
sobra.
nadala nyo na rin,
Yeah.
diba? Oo, ang dami na nila. Kaya maraming pong salamat sa iyo. You are one of the pillars in terms of our community. Thank you because of people like you po. Lorus continues to be as strong regardless of whatever is happening around. So,
Thank you.
please receive our gratitude po. Ayan. So,
We love
thank
you,
you
Miss
so much,
Angie.
Miss Annie.
Salamat
And
sa
to you,
inyo.
our dear viewers, we also want to thank you for giving us your time. Another 45 or 47 minutes have passed, and we hope na nag-enjoy po kayo from whatever it is na natutunan ninyo from our special
Mga
guest.
tips, especially the reward
Yes.
ng
Yeah.
Do let us
reading book.
know. Yeah, do let us know in the comment section. which part of the conversation struck you? What is your aha moment? Whatever, meron po ba kayong gusto pang i-clarify or meron pa po ba kayong gustong ipa-expound? We will ask our dear guest, Miss Annie, para sagutin po yan sa comment section. Kasi she's a very generous person and I'm sure she would be happy to continue to support you kahit nasa comment section na po tayo. Jeff, do we have anyone that we have to thank?
We would like to thank the following people and companies who have supported us. This Slam Book Millionaire, we have Pillow Bread PH.
Yes, Clara loves.
Pillow Beds PH. Of course, Lorus Training.
Sino ba si Lorus Trainings?
Ang #1 favorite ni Miss Annie. And also, I Am Fantabulous. Yes. Ano yung mga affirmation t-shirts?
Yeah. Right now po nakafocus ako sa mga affirmation shirts. Yes.
And of course, Smoke Love Barbecue.
Yes, the best barbecue in town.
Siya na nagsabi niyan, the best barbecue.
Hindi niya po ako binibigyan. Lagi kailangan kong bumili. Ayan. Maraming salamat po to you, our dear sponsor. From Season 1 to Season 2, you continue to be with us. So, we really appreciate you with all our hearts. And we look forward na kahit makaabot pa tayo ng Season 100.
Yes, and most especially, we would like to thank Co-Create.
Yes.
Co-Create Medias. Thank you so much.
Salamat sa ating production team.
Yes, if you like the setup, if you like the studio, it's Co-Create Studio.
Yes,
Thank
they're
you so
renting it
much.
out, by the way, and they can also provide you with your media needs. If ever that you have decided or you are deciding right now if ang next step na po sa inyo is to creating a podcast or maybe, you know,
Your personal
having your
brand.
message
Yes.
be heard by millions of people out there. Maraming salamat. God bless you. And we'll look forward to seeing to another episode of Slam Book Millionaire with Jev
And Joanna!
Bye for now!